that to be a quick clean.
What's up, guys? So we are back with another video of the S10. Today we are doing the rear shocks. So here they are. Here's the rear shocks. The ones that are on here are bad, so we are going to replace them with these guys. These are Monroe's. Let's see here. The Gasmatic Monroe's. Where's the part number on this guy? Alright. There's part number 59012. 59012 is the part number. These are fairly easy to get to, guys. They're right under here. They're right. Here's the one on this side, and then the one on the opposite side there. So this bolt here is a 21 millimeter. So you're gonna have to back this bolt out, and then up here there is a nut on the bottom of each of these, and then on the top there's also a nut. Those are both 13 millimeters. So I'm gonna loosen them both up, starting with the top ones, and then I will show you guys what that looks like once I take it out. Okay, guys, so once you take it out, it will look like this. Here's where it goes on, and this is where this goes up here. You are going to need the socket on the top and the wrench on the bottom to get these ones out. And then this one is a 21 millimeter. It's just back right off. And there is a big washer that goes with those ones. And then you take the new one. It has this blue plastic piece on it. Sometimes it's black, sometimes it's red. That is solely to hold the strut shut while you install it. And then you can just cut the plastic here, wherever you want. The top, the bottom, middle, wherever you want to cut it. After installation though, not before. Okay, guys, so once you get all those bolts in, make sure they're nice and tight everywhere. And then boom, that's it. That's how you replace your rear shock. Really, really simple. You're gonna do the same thing on this other side. You see how rotted out this one is. It's all like, it's shot, it's done, it's ready to go. So we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, guys, so that's it. Both are fully installed and bolted down, fully secured to the frame. It's a little dirty, my hands are greasy, but that's how easy. Okay, guys, so that's how you change your rear shocks in a 93 Chevy S10. Hopefully this video is helpful to somebody. Hopefully some of you guys out there still have one of these old gems. This one's still young. If you haven't checked out the video where I did a review and talked about how I ended up with this 93 S10, go check it out. There should be a playlist with all the videos of the S10 somewhere. I'll put it in the description box if I remember. Go check it out. Like always, social media all down below for you guys to go check out. And yeah, good vibes, good cruising.